Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to find all your seller responses on Facebook Web using your PC after the new update. If you sell anything on Facebook Marketplace, you probably know how easy it is to lose track of past replies, buyer questions, and follow-up messages. The good news is that Facebook still keeps everything organized, and you can access it in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main menu where you can access your account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a full record of many things you've done on the platform, so it's the right place to look when you want to review your marketplace activity. Inside the activity log, find and open the section called Your Facebook Activity. This section gives you different categories of actions linked to your profile and account. Now scroll or look for Facebook Marketplace and click it to continue. Once you enter Facebook Marketplace, choose your seller responses. This is the section where you can see the responses related to your selling activity. Here you'll be able to review the messages and replies connected to your marketplace listings, making it much easier to keep track of conversations with buyers. If you're trying to check a reply you missed, confirm what you already answered, or simply organize your selling history, this is the fastest way to do it on Facebook Web. It only takes a moment once you know where to go. So again, the path is simple. Open Facebook Web, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, then choose Facebook Marketplace and open your seller responses. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find all your seller responses on Facebook Web on PC after the latest update.